Hey everyone, Asana becomes even more powerful when you connect it with the other tools your team already uses. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate apps with Asana, connect popular services, and improve your workflow by keeping everything in one place. So yeah, let's get started. First, open Asana and sign in to your account. From your workspace, go to your profile settings or the apps section. This is where you can find available integrations and connect Asana with other tools. Next, explore the available apps that work with Asana. You can connect tools for communication, file storage, reporting, calendars, automation, and many other workflows. Choosing the right integrations depends on how your team manages work. To connect an app, select the tool you want to use and choose the option to connect it with Asana. You may need to sign in to that service and approve permissions. Once approved, Asana can communicate with the connected application. Asana supports integrations with many popular tools. For example, you can connect communication apps to receive updates, cloud storage services to attach files, calendar apps to manage deadlines, and automation platforms to create custom workflows. You can also add integrations directly inside specific projects. Open a project, go to the customization options, and choose the apps you want to use. This allows your team to access important information without switching between multiple platforms. Connected apps can make your workflow more automatic. For example, you can create actions that send notifications, update tasks, or move information between different services. Automation helps reduce repetitive work and saves time. If you need to remove or update an integration, return to your account settings and review your connected apps. From there, you can manage permissions, disconnect services, or change your integration setup. To get the best results, only connect apps that improve your workflow. Avoid adding unnecessary integrations because too many notifications can create distractions. A simple setup with the right tools usually works best. And that's how to integrate apps with Asana. By connecting the tools your team already uses, you can improve communication, automate tasks, and create a more efficient workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Asana tutorial.